I went back to the Google Singapore office, and if you want to pivot into tech, keep watching because I'm going to share some cool updates on what Google Singapore is doing to actively help everyone do so. So yes, I went back to Google, but as a content creator to explore the Google for Singapore event, celebrating Google's 15th year anniversary in Singapore. If you didn't know yet, Google, in close collaboration with the Singapore government, has actively been working on a program called Skills Ignition SG, an initiative to boost the employability of Singaporeans and allow them to take up tech-related roles in the digital economy.
Fun fact is that I was actually the program manager for this program right here. So I really think it's so cool that this program has grown so much. And yeah, I'm just super proud of the initiatives that Google is actually bringing across Singapore.
So yes, I think it's an incredible program because I know a couple of folks who have actually completed the program and found jobs at Google. As part of the celebration, Mr. Josephine Teo and Country Managing Director of Google Singapore, Ben King, shared some key updates to their efforts. Number 1, both Google and the Singaporean government acknowledge that talent is the centerpiece of digital growth and resilience. Hence, they will continue to run the Skills Ignition traineeship, now in its 3rd iteration. 60 trainees will be hired for the traineeship program at Google Singapore with a 9-month on-the-job training opportunity at Google. Register now as applications are open for the 2022 to 2023 cohort. Link will be in my bio. Number 2, new digital certifications have also been added to the Grow with Google career website. There are a variety of them, so definitely check them out if you're serious about upscaling but want the flexibility to learn from home. To top off the event, the first Skills Ignition SG Hybrid Career Fair was also hosted at the Google office, and a variety of companies were there to network and meet prospective graduates. I also had time to explore other Google products that were featured like Google Pay, but I must say they really went all out. I was so impressed by all the effort the team put in to infuse Singapore's local flavour into the office. From the bus stops to the local kopi stations to a freaking life-size Ang Mo Kio playground dragon. It was so nostalgic and well done. It was an extra heartwarming day for me because in addition to seeing the program I managed grow so much and be so successful, I also saw so many of my ex-Google colleagues and friends, which really made me miss Google. It really reminded me of what a great experience I had working there. The people are amazing, the culture is just absolutely the best. So that's why I highly recommend anyone to apply if they want to have a chance to work there. You never know if you don't try. So check the Grow with Google website to start your journey of upscaling now.